There are three ways that we understand that alcohol increases our risk of getting breast cancer. One is that when we metabolize alcohol, when we ingest it and it gets broken down in our bodies, one of the components it gets broken down into is called acetaldehyde. And acetaldehyde in and of itself is carcinogenic. And that means that it gets into our cells and it gets into the nucleus of our cells where our DNA lives, and it causes damage to our DNA. And cells that have damaged DNA are more likely to become cancerous. So that's one way. Another way is that when alcohol gets into our bodies, it causes what we call oxidative stress. That means that it lets out this, or it causes this chemical to be released into our body called reactive oxygen species. That really doesn't matter at all. What matters is that affects our cells. It affects the DNA in our cells, the protein, it damages the cell itself and the DNA. And like I said earlier, cells with damaged DNA are more likely to become cancerous. And the last way, which is really pretty specific to breast cancer, is that alcohol alters our hormone levels. And specifically in women, it's estrogen. And we know from studies really across the board, we see that women who drink alcohol have higher levels of estrogen than women who don't drink alcohol. And women who have higher levels of estrogen are more likely to develop breast cancer.